English Step by Step, How to Use a and the, Step 11. In this video I'm going to go through the answers to the practice exercise, which you can find in the Step 10 video, so make sure you watch that video first. And you can watch the other steps in this video series for explanations, examples and other practice tests on using a and the and articles. So let's go through the answers to this practice exercise. Number 1. She's studying history at university. It's late, so now I'm going to bed. Number 3. We do a lot of grammar exercises in class. Number 4. Do you go to church on Sundays? Number 5. The criminal was sent to prison for 10 years. Number 6. She went to hospital for an operation. Number 7. I always go to work by bus. Number 8. Did you bring a sandwich for lunch? Number 9. I come to college on foot. On foot. Walking. Number 10. I didn't plan to meet my parents. I met them by chance in Princess Street. Number 11. I didn't mean to break the window. I did it by accident. Number 12. The storm took me by surprise. So there's 12 sentences, and that second prison we don't need. So those are the answers, and those are many expressions in which we don't use an article in English. So that brings us to the end of this Step 11 video on how to use a and the. You can watch the other videos in this series for more examples, explanations and practice exercise. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.